we're gonna try this one more time. Oh my god, look at that, bro. It looks so bad.
What?
The fucking...
You know what's crazy?
What?
I could fix it.
So one of my boys was driving my car and he fucked it up. He doesn't pay for the rim. We're trying to fix it right now. It actually does look dope, Brian.
We sanded it, and then.
So we're gonna try the rims, the springs one more time. Just take off the rim and start unscrewing.
Hey, turn your wheel.
Yeah, dude.
Dumbass.
Dumbass. Bruh.
Why is it lifting up? Hold on. Do you have a marker?
Forcing to.
No, you're right.
I told you.
Are separate, so you just take this out to 17, back it all the way out, give this a kick, and then the springs should pop out.
Yep. So springs in, and we just gotta put in that bolt. Secure these two. I don't know. To video.
For the youth. I think it's gonna jump on my leg. For the youth. For the youth.
Why?
Hopefully it don't hurt.
I didn't do the...
All right, so we're on the driver's side now. We're gonna show you how to lower it really quick. In no specific order, remove the brake line. You're gonna remove this, it's a 17. This goes to the strut. Once you remove that, you're gonna go to the front end of the car, remove the end link, the bolt to it, and that'll give it enough slack. And then from there, you're gonna remove these two. You have to. And these are 14s. Get those out. The whole like assembly thing should fall like out, and then you'll be able to get this whole spring and strut together out. There's just 3 screws on top. Yeah, I think they're 12s on top. And then once you drop everything, you pull this out from the top first, because you won't be able to get the bottom over this. So yeah, that's it. Usually you don't have to compress the lowering springs because they're lower than the, so you could just go ahead and install them. Press my drill.
All right. You good, Joe?
Just turn it. Yeah. Okay. It should be grabbing, huh?
Alright, so this is the morning after. Then look at how the water's jumping off of that. I just washed it, it was really dirty. So yeah, the springs are in now. Got pretty lower. This is my rim that got fucked up by my friend. I'm gonna have to get that fixed. But yeah, that's how it looks. You know. Looks pretty good. Dropped about like 1.5 inches. It for sure took away all the wheel gap that I had. Yeah. What the fuck, yo? Get out of here. Lace. Lace. Relax, relax, relax. So shout out Brian. Once again, he did most of the work yesterday. Yeah, he's literally a plug. That's my boy, BPZ detailing, whatever the fuck it is. Yeah. Keep some pictures and I'll put them on my Instagram for you guys. So go make sure you guys follow that. And yeah, I gotta clean the inside of this too, it's fucking dirty. So now with the springs in, I could put this sticker on. But I still don't know if I should. It's kind of ugly. Fuck you, get out of here. Yeah, it definitely looks lower now. Definitely. Oil change, it was hella leaking. Don't mind that, but look at the springs. Sick paint job, bro.
Pull it up, pull it up.
Yeah, he don't even know.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
I don't use this at work, I use a freaking gun.
He's going to use a pro.
I thought you were no fun of it.
Oh, speaking of the devil.
Fucking guy. He's gonna come back or what?
So this got his new rims. Fucking wet. Subi. Chris, MR2, Nick says hi. Who's his fit? Pretty dope. Here at the spot.